The FNIRSI DPOS350P 4-in-1 oscilloscope offers extensive capabilities with its 350 megahertz bandwidth, making it ideal for high-frequency measurements. This device features a versatile 7-inch touchscreen that enhances user interaction and provides a clear view of waveforms and data. With its spectrum analyzer function, it effectively performs FFT-based analysis and offers real-time 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional waterfall views, which are excellent for electromagnetic interference checks. The frequency response analyzer is perfect for Bode plots and loop stability tests, offering a frequency range from 100 Hz to 50 MHz. The digital signal generator supports 14 standard waveforms and allows for extensive customization with up to 500 custom clipping waveforms. Its portability is enhanced by a robust 8,000 milliampere-hour battery, making it suitable for both laboratory and field use.